kids! Today we're going to draw the letter A, and then something yummy that starts with A. An apple! So grab your pencil and let's begin. Step 1. Draw the letter A. Let's start by drawing a big letter A. Draw 2 slanting lines that meet at the top, like a triangle. Now draw a small line across the middle. Great! That's your capital letter A. Step 2. A is for apple. Now let's draw an apple right next to the letter A. Start by drawing a round shape, like a circle, but a little wider. At the top, draw a short stem and a small leaf. Wow, that looks just like a real apple! Step 3. Color time. Let's color our drawing. Green for the leaf, use red for the apple. You can also draw other things that start with the letter A, like ant, airplane, astronaut, alligator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with us.